Hi friends, today we are making Gnanakatha. Let's watch how to make it. First we need 150 grams of butter. Add 150 grams of sugar and mix well. Now add an egg and mix well. Add 5 tbs of milk. Add 1 tbs of vanilla essence. Add 2 pinches of salt. Add 1 tsp of baking powder. Add 300 grams of flour. Now start kneading with your hand. Now the dough is ready. Start by taking a small piece of the dough. Shape it into a sphere and flatten it. Apply some water to it. Now dip it in the sugar. Bake it at 150 for 15 minutes. Gnanakatha is ready. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more videos.